In our previous video, we looked at writing formulae for compounds that end in "ide" and are made up of 2 elements only. Today we're going to have a look at writing formulae for compounds that end in "ate". If a compound ends in "ate", it means it's made up of more than 2 elements and one of those elements is oxygen. When a compound ends in "ate", it means it contains a polyatomic ion. Let's break down the word polyatomic. Poly meaning many, atomic atoms, so a polyatomic ion is an ion made up of lots of atoms. At GCSE, there are a couple of polyatomic ions that you need to remember the formula and charge for. So the first one, sulfate, is SO4 2 minus. Nitrate is NO3 1 minus. Carbonate is CO3 2 minus. And ammonium is NH4 plus. The compound potassium nitrate has the formula KNO3, but how did I get there? So we've got to write the symbols and the charges for the substances that are present. So potassium has a +1 charge, group 1. Nitrate, NO3, has a charge of minus. So these charges cancel each other out, 1 plus 1 minus. And so the formula is KNO3. Right, now let's have a look at calcium sulfate. So calcium is in group 2, has a charge of 2 plus. Sulfate is SO4 2 minus. Again, these charges cancel out. And so the formula is going to be CaSO4. Right, so let's look at the example of lithium carbonate now. Lithium's in group 1, 1 plus charge. Carbonate is CO3 2 minus. So because carbonate has a 2 minus charge, I need to add another lithium atom to cancel out the 2 minus charge. So it's Li2CO3. So with ammonium sulfate, we've got 2 polyatomic ions, NH4 plus and SO4 2 minus. So to cancel out that 2 minus charge, we need 2 ammoniums. But how are we going to write that? So what we need to do is we need to put brackets around NH4 and then place a small 2 next to the bracket and then SO4. Okay, for the final one, I'll just give you a little challenge. If you could pause the video and then try to solve this and then unpause when you're done. So aluminium carbonate. Aluminium, which has a charge of 3 plus, it's in group 3, and carbonate is CO3 2 minus. So let's use the swap method for this one. So we can see that aluminium has a charge of 3 plus, so I'm going to swap that 3, and it's going to be, we're going to have 3 carbonates, Al2, open bracket, CO3, close bracket, 3.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment and subscribe and share this video to get it to more pupils like yourselves. All the best and see you in my next video.